Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have t-shirt illustrations file. These are in EPS, EI and PDF PNG file. You can use in mobile phone or in Adobe Illustrator. So first I show you. Here is a 1 2 3 4 or a one design in AI, EPS, PDF and PNG. Blue cheetah. Great runner, you can add your own color, own choice. You can edit it. Okay. Crow shadow, darkness hero. Basically darkness hero is oil or a pet, but you can adjust anywhere. Okay. Future woman. Lion King, the real king, right? I know the real king. You change color and Captain Mecca. Okay. Skill. Wow, these look like a Christian legends. They sleep. So tiger heart head. Combat. Wow. Okay, so I drag this file AI to Adobe Illustrator. File is open because my laptop is old version. So you see here the line, color 1, color 2, line, remove color. You see. You see. Okay, these are vector file, sorry, blue file. You can change color, for example like this, or you can change more, black, oh, so red, undo. Okay, and text top, you write your text here, and you can change color one by one. Oh, amazing. Here's our lines. Green. Wow. Okay, these are CMYK color for printable. So here is darkness hero. Wow. Select one image. I think this is a PNG, sorry, and here is a AI file. Wow. Shadow, smoke color, you see, smoke line. Okay, here is smoke color. Change color one by one. Sorry, black. Okay, and you see wings, and you see shadow. So you write here your name or your text, and next is last, tiger. Wow, you write anything or you can change color. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.